Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can folder Unread chat on your Telegram. So guys, first of all, let's just open our Telegram application on our phone. Then we're going to click on this three lines button on the top left corner of our screen. Then you can simply tap on the settings option, and on the setting option you have to select the chat folders. This one, tap on the chat folder and you can click on Unread. You can click on this add button to add the Unread folder to your Instagram chat. Okay, and now let's just check it on our Instagram room chat. We can go back to the previous section, and as you can see now the Unread chat has been foldered. Alright guys, then that's how we can folder Unread chat on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.